Let's be honest, how many business owners here are tired of making big decisions with zero data? Most of us, right? Most Kenyan business owners don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they make big decisions without thinking through the risks. What if I told you you could test that business decision before you make your move or even spend the money in the first place? Unfortunately, most people think AI is just for chatting or doing small tasks. But today, I want to show you how you can use AI as your thinking partner, especially before you make that big decision or spend serious money on your next business venture. I work with real Kenyan businesses, shops, circles, SMEs, and this is how they're using AI to avoid costly mistakes. Say, for instance, you own an electronics shop and you're thinking of adding laptops as a new product line. You've identified a supplier and you're about to spend 150,000 Kenya shillings on the laptop stock. Now, this is real money. The problem is you're not 100% sure if the demand is really there. Are people actually buying laptops right now? Is your pricing competitive? Can your cash flow handle slow sales? Is competition too strong around your area? Most shop owners in this situation will just follow the hype, copy what the next shop is doing, or even guess. Or still, make an emotional decision. And that's how money gets stuck in dead stock. But see, here's how I'd use AI as a thinking partner before making that critical decision. First, I'm going to tell AI, act as a business advisor for a small electronics shop in Kenya. I want to invest 150,000 Kenya shillings in laptops. Help me think through the demand, risks, pricing, cash flow, competition before I buy the stock. Now, look at this. I'm not asking AI to tell me what to do. I'm using it to help me think better. And what it brings up is what questions I should be asking, what kind of demand to validate, how competition might affect pricing, how cash flow could be impacted. This is like having somebody in the shop with you, like your business partner, and you ask them, boss, can you help me think through this properly before we spend that money? Step 2 is where we test the pricing and the profit. Now let's talk about pricing. Most people price laptops by just copying the shop next door. That's dangerous. So what I'll tell AI is to help me model 3 pricing scenarios for laptops in Kenya. Give me the low price, middle price, and the premium price. Show possible profits and risks. Now, what you can see is which pricing gives you better margins, where you might be underpricing, how many units you need to sell to break even. This helps you stop guessing and you start pricing strategically and not emotionally. Step 3 is where we ask AI to model the worst case scenario for us. Now this is the part many people avoid, worst case scenario. So I'll ask AI, what's the worst case scenario if these laptops don't sell as expected? What risks should I prepare for? And this is where AI becomes very powerful. It shows you things like dead stock sitting on the shelves, cash being tied up, pressure on rent and bills, having to discount and reduce profit, storage and security issues. This is how you remove emotion from business decisions and you face reality before reality faces you. Step is where you now, as a business owner, come in at the last stage to make the final decision based on the data that AI has given you. Now, after you've done all this, you're in a much better position to decide. You can ask yourself, or even ask AI, should I start smaller, maybe with 50,000 shillings first, or should I test demand before going all in, or should I negotiate better supplier terms, or should I wait and validate demand more? This is what I mean when I say AI is not running your business, it is helping you run your business smarter. It helps you think through. It helps you see risks that you may not see with your naked eye. It also helps you avoid costly mistakes. We work with business owners, SMEs, and institutions to use AI for better decision making and productivity. If you're serious about using AI properly in your business, Vertex AI Hub offers consultations, training, and setup. DM us if you're interested. Please like, comment, follow this page, and share this with other business owners who need to see it.